Here's an explanation of rotary phase converters. Rotary phase converters are used to generate three-phase power from a single-phase source. They achieve this by utilizing a single-phase motor and a capacitor bank to create a rotating magnetic field. This rotating magnetic field then induces three-phase currents in the output windings. Voltage imbalance can occur in rotary phase converters due to several factors. These factors can include mismatched capacitor values, faulty components, or overloading of the system. Bonding one of the phases to ground, sometimes described as creating a grounded B, can potentially help balance the voltage. However, this is only effective if the motor is specifically designed for this type of configuration. In such a case, the grounded phase effectively becomes the neutral, while the other two phases serve as the line phases. Before implementing a bonded phase, there are several steps you should take to check the system. 1. Inspect the capacitor bank. Ensure that all capacitors are properly rated and correctly connected. 2. Check the motor bearings. Excessive noise during startup can often indicate worn or damaged bearings. 3. Test the motor under load. This is to verify that the voltage imbalance isn't simply due to an overloaded circuit. 4. Consult the manufacturer's instructions. This is to determine if the motor is designed to operate with one phase grounded. If you have verified that the capacitor bank and motor are in good condition, and the voltage imbalance isn't caused by overloading, then bonding one phase may help balance the voltage. However, it's highly recommended to consult with a qualified electrician or the manufacturer of the rotary phase converter. This consultation is crucial to ensure that the bonding process is performed safely and correctly. Keep in mind some additional notes about rotary phase converters. Grounding one phase can reduce the available three-phase power by about 1/3. Also, rotary phase converters aren't as efficient as true three-phase power sources. And the starting torque of a rotary phase converter is typically lower than that of a true three-phase motor.